In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to Word or a text file. By the end, you'll know a clean, reliable way to grab any answer from Copilot and save it exactly how you want, whether that's a polished Word document or a simple .txt file. First, open Microsoft Copilot and make sure you're signed in so your conversation can be saved and consistent. It also helps to open Microsoft Word in advance. Having Word ready means as soon as you copy your result, you can paste it right in without breaking your flow. Now ask Copilot for what you need. You might be researching a topic, summarizing information, or drafting a paragraph. Once Copilot gives you the response you want, decide whether you need the whole output or just a section. If you want to copy manually, click at the very top of the response, drag down to the bottom to highlight everything you need, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and choose Copy. This works well for short and medium answers, and it gives you full control over what you take. If you prefer a faster method, ask Copilot to put the answer inside a triple backtick code block. Responses inside a code block include a built-in copy button in the corner, so you can grab the entire output with a single click. This is great for long responses because you won't have to drag your mouse or worry about missing a line. Before you copy, you can also customize the result to match your document's style. For example, if Copilot includes emojis or special characters you don't want, simply ask it to remove them and regenerate the response in plain text. You can also ask for simplified formatting if you plan to save as a TXT file, which keeps things clean and easy to read. Switch over to Microsoft Word and paste what you copied. Give the document a quick glance to confirm the spacing and line breaks look right. Code block copies are usually very tidy. When you're ready to save, choose the format that fits your needs. If you want a simple text file, use Save As and pick .txt. If you prefer a fully editable document with formatting options, save it as a Word document. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Microsoft Copilot response to Word or a text file. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload.